we doing out there? Insure with Duran Jenkins, Duran Jenkins Agency. You can find us actually nowadays on our website, insuringwithduran.com. And also we started doing these videos onto YouTube, so you can find us on YouTube under Insuring with Duran as well, or hashtag Insuring with Duran. So this weekend I had a customer / friend of mine call and was asking about rental car coverage in another state. Yes, there are some coverages that move over. It is going to be most of the time to your liability limits. I say most of the time, I'll get to that in a second. Your comprehensive and collision coverage does not normally transfer to a rental car policy because it is not your vehicle. Your comprehensive and collision coverage protects your personal vehicle that you own, and that is usually it. So whenever you do a rental car, a loaner vehicle, whatever it might be, if you go to the dealership or something, then you may have a little bit more trouble. And in those cases, there's a lot of companies out there that do not cover loaner vehicles. So like the Good Neighbors, Good Hands, some of those people, they are not covering those issues. And I know this because I used to work in a Lexus dealership, and I saw that firsthand, what they did cover, what they didn't cover, and it is also a lot of trouble. Farmers does do that, so if that helps you out at all, any. The other thing is that when you're going into renting vehicles, the question also posed to me, the same conversation is like, should I get the protection on the vehicle? What I'm about to say is only my opinion. This is the way I handle it. This is not a reflection of a guide or anything like that for anybody. This is just how I do it. So my particular opinion is if I'm gonna have a car for 1 or 2 days, I'm probably gonna go ahead and get it. It's usually 15, 20 bucks a day. That's, to me, it's a small risk for what could be a larger reward in case he gets hit in a parking lot, door ding, the person who checked me in didn't see damage, didn't write it down, and now I'm responsible for it. So I go ahead and get it, don't worry about it. Now, go back a few months when we went skiing, we got some, they give us a 2021 GMC Denali as our minivan that we'd rented. And so that was different. That was $66 a day. I didn't opt in for that because that became very expensive. So I went ahead and took on the risk of the vehicle myself. Like I said, it's my opinion, do with it what you will, but it kind of depends on what your risk factor is along there. And there are companies out there, some of these lower end companies, your internet companies, some of these $39 liability companies, things of that nature, they will specifically state in their policy that they do not cover rental vehicles. They do not cover loaner vehicles. They do not cover any vehicle that you were given as a hired or non-owned vehicle, which is a bunch of different terms you may not want to know. But I thought I would let you know that anyways. If you have gotten to the end of this video, if you would, let me know in the comments, do you get the rental car coverage when you rent a vehicle? I'd love to hear that. Anyways, have a wonderful week. If y'all need anything from me, 817-445-0120 is our phone number. Give us a call here in the office or just message us on whichever platform you're watching this. Have a wonderful day and have a great week.